What's the difference between someone making $50 a day and someone making $900? About 4 simple steps. Let me show you. Most people approach making money online completely backwards. They hop from one strategy to another, never mastering anything, always chasing the next secret. But what they really need is a proven system, a true roadmap. Without it, they're lost, driving in the dark with no GPS. That's why 95% of people fail online. Legacy Builder changes that. We give you the exact roadmap. 4 clear steps from $0 to $900 days. Step 1. Foundation. Learn the basics, get your first wins, and build confidence. Step 2. Scale. Multiply what's working, triple your results without more effort. Step 3. Optimize, fine-tune, remove what isn't working, double down on what is. Step 4. Automate. Systems run on autopilot, earning you money while you enjoy life. Each step builds on the last. No skipping ahead, no shortcuts, just steady, predictable growth. People from all walks of life are succeeding. Truck drivers earning $400 a day, stay-at-home moms hitting $500, retirees bringing in $300 consistently. The system works if you work the system. Are you ready to stop spinning your wheels and start following a proven path? Click below and let's get you started on step 1 today.